person, this looks perfect. But here at a fine private club like we're at here today, this is not perfect. When you look at TV quality sand, this is what you're gonna see. You gotta come through here, and it's light in the hand like this. You don't wanna grip it too tight because you're gonna get bad marks. You just wanna float it in there just like this. It's a massaging technique. It takes years and years of practice just to get that. You want just enough under the cover right here to bring it in there so the ball rolls back in here. Now we got Texas Walker over here, and look at that form. It's a flow. It starts here and you move back in. There's no herky-jerky motion to it. Tell us how it's done. I mean, you've been doing this for 30 years. I mean, you just don't get out of bed in the morning and make this happen, do you?
Well, we did get out of the bed this morning, and this was the first thing on our minds. You know, the bunker is a special place to me. The sand, it speaks.
It
you
does.
know, and it tells me what it wants. A little bit of extra moisture in the air, got it. You know, dry night with a lot of wind, got it. You just have to be willing, you know, to listen to what the sand's telling you.
What's it telling you today?
You know, today's not a difficult day. We had 9 miles an hour out of the east, and right now it's just telling me thank you. So we're just going to keep doing what we're doing, and the players are going to have a treat today.
There'll be no fried eggs. This will be nice, crispy. You'll see it hit the green and back up the way this is. And once he gets his little area done, I come and give it a fine touch. You're going to see the contour of it. And again, it's just a light stroke. Listen to what it's telling you. Some places need a little harder, other places a little softer, but that's your sand bunker tip of the day. You know, we'll be back later on with some other tips. But the golf course, this is really where it starts. This is the baked potato, the meat and potatoes, the nuts and bolts of it. It's all right here. You guys have a wonderful day.
At Seminole Golf.